Are your apps not working because of the Qt6-Core DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. Access the official Qt6core diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This DLL file is the foundational library for the Qt6 framework. It provides the core non-GUI functionality, including event handling, file input-output, and data structures used by all modern Qt-based Windows applications. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The Qt6core DLL is bundled directly with Qt framework rather than being a standard Windows system file. Reinstalling the latest version of Qt framework is the most reliable way to restore this specific dependency safely. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize and unregistered the Qt6core component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like the Qt6core DLL. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. The diagnostic utility referenced below offers general information for managing the Qt6core and maintaining system health. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve the Qt6core dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.